So I brought up the topic about medicines and supplements, and I thought why not awareing people about this. So hi, this is Disha and by profession a fitness influencer. So I got this topic because of two reasons. Because one is that people are not knowing about the fact that in our daily diet routine we have to consume supplements because that completes and fill our bridges while we are not able to take the protein and certain type of vitamins or minerals from the food. And the second topic, that people think that the dietary supplements are kind of pharmaceutical things, but that is completely wrong. So moving on to this topic, let me take ahead and give you a brief about that what exactly medicines and supplements. So yeah, as I was talking about medicine and supplements, so basically medicine is a reactive approach basically where when you are ill or you don't where you are sick and you have this tiredness or something, you go to a doctor and a doctor prescribes you some kind of medicine or any sort of injury you have. That time medicines come in the role, and that helps you for a particular given moment of time till the time you get healed. And wherein supplements is something that comes into the picture, and it's a proactive approach, you can say, wherein when you're not able to consume your micro and macronutrients of food, supplements help you to get that. So that's when the supplements plays a major role in your day-to-day activity and in your whole diet thing which you're consuming throughout the day. So I'll probably end up by saying this, that a good diet is a cake and supplements are icing over it. So the whole diet which you are not able to fulfill by food, you can just fulfill it through supplements, I can say that. And the funda behind this is a proper diet, a proper sleep and a proper workout that leads you to a healthy lifestyle. So there is a very frequent question asked to me that supplements are bad. Are supplements harmful? No, my friend, I've been taking it in the last 2 years or more than 2 years, you can say, but I never got any sort of side effect. It's you who choose that. Which supplements are you going for? So there are two types of supplements, which is organic and inorganic. So basically, I'll just tell you about organic. Organic is something which is actually naturally based, which is like a food substitute to you, which doesn't give you any sort of harmful effects or side effects because your body thinks that it's a natural thing which is coming into your body. So it's highly preferable, and I'll just give you with a short example that if you go for a plant-based protein, so if anything comes from a plant extract like chana, soya beans, hemp seeds, so there are basically natural substitute for a plant-based protein. Even I'll give you the whey is a very good organic thing because it's made up of milk. Like if you go to a dairy shop, get a paneer, it's really same like that. No harmful, wherein I won't suggest you for an inorganic supplements because it's a chemical based process and I preferably don't go for it, so I will recommend a big no for it. Yeah. Hope that I have added a good value to my video, and at last, 3 pillars of your health is good sleep, good diet and keep working out and stay fit, guys. And the scoring time, I know that if guys feel lazy, you don't feel to work out, don't feel to diet, but guys, moto na se acha fit raho. And for more inquiries for any health related issue, PCODs, or if you want to lose weight or gain weight, you guys can just ping me at Stay Fit with Disha. I'm always there to help you. And for more inquiries, even you can follow my another page, another account, I must say, that is Disha_Jane. And just stay fit, and I love you all. Thank you.